Hi there, students. To undersell, an idea by Ronan. Thank you, Ronan. So to undersell, we use it in two different ways. Firstly, to sell at a lower price than a competitor. So normally big chain stores can undersell any local shops. They can sell things at a lower price and still stay in business. And this is why a lot of the small shops are going out of business, because they are being undersold by large competitors, large chain stores, large supermarkets. There's a big department store in the UK called John Lewis, and they have a motto which says never knowingly undersold. So nobody sells things cheaper than they do, and they will guarantee to give you back the difference if you find somebody else selling the same thing at a cheaper price. So to undersell, to sell at a price that is lower than another seller. Now, you can also use to undersell, meaning to give something or someone, particularly yourself, less praise than is deserved. So I have this feeling I undersold myself in the interview. Yeah, and I shouldn't have undersold myself because I have a lot to offer the company. Don't undersell your ideas. Don't make your ideas seem less attractive than they really are. I think my boss is trying to undersell quite how difficult this objective is going to be to achieve. Okay, so something is undersold. It's not given enough emphasis. It's not focused on. It's not advertised as something. It's literally to sell something for less than its real value. So yes, to put forward an idea but with insufficient enthusiasm, to understate it too much, don't sell yourself short, don't undersell yourself, don't undersell it, don't undersell. The opposite is to oversell, is to say too much about something, and normally advertising oversells itself. It says that the product is absolutely brilliant, it's the best thing since sliced bread, and it's not usually like that. So to sell at a lower price than a competitor, to undercut. Our price match guarantee says that we will not be undersold, never knowingly undersold. Or to undersell yourself, to not to be enthusiastic enough about something. Don't undersell your ideas. Your ideas are great. So Nottingham has been undersold as a tourist centre, or maybe Barrow-in-Furness has been undersold as a tourist centre. It hasn't been given the publicity that it deserves. To undersell yourself, to underestimate, to value lower than it really should be. So to undersell, to promote or to value something insufficiently. She felt that she was underselling herself by putting her disability high up on her CV. Try not to undersell yourself at the interview. Tell them about your qualities. We can equal or undersell any other competitor. We can sell at a cheaper price. So yes, to undersell, to sell articles cheaper than a competitor. Imported cars that undersell domestic ones. Yeah, they're cheaper than. don't undersell your qualities. His musical abilities are often undersold by the critics. They promise to undersell their competitors. So to sell for less than a lower price than is normal, lower than other sellers, or to promote something not enthusiastically enough. This is to undersell, to be very restrained in what you are saying. So to undercut, to understate. So the store can undersell other shops because it has lower overheads. The business discovered that underselling actually boosted the business. I think he undersold himself at the interview. Our prices are the lowest and we will never be knowingly undersold. Okay, so to undersell, I think he undersold himself. So yeah, to undersell, to sell lower than. It's a business word. I'm going to give this a 5 informality. Use anywhere. So undersell, undersold. Bye for now.